Hello, my name is Tiina Lahti. I work for airline Finnair for ground resource planning.
My name is Päivi Tolvanen and I'm a lead planning specialist.
There are quite many actually, but I would like to highlight that we have now just one system for the whole process, and that's a real benefit from going from 3 different systems just to one, and forgetting quite a few Excels also.
And inside the workforce planner, it includes everything from creating a demand and using the system to optimize rosters, and then also getting reports quite easily.
Yeah, you have all the data there that you need. Well, one thing that we did everything manually, and now we have automation and we have optimization, and also we didn't have any tool to make different scenarios if somebody asks this and that changes. So I would say well, I'll come back to you in a week, and now it's just a couple of hours and have different scenarios ready.
We also have a view for short time resources that we didn't have before or had in Excels. That's quite beneficial as well.
Yeah, so we can sort of predict how much training we are going to have, and maybe absences and retention and so on, and then calculate the future resource need. I've been to DELMIA user days for a couple of years, and I think that I'm missing something. So it's great to be here and meet other DELMIA Quintiq users, talk to your experts, and we had really good discussions already, and it's midday, so it's great to be here.
This is my first time, so it's good to see yourself, and Tiina has more experience with the connections with the experts here, so it's really nice to see that.